Hey everyone, welcome back to Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. I thought on this sunny day I would show you around the raised bed garden and show you what I've planned for this summer. Thanks for joining me. My walkways are filling in with wood chips from around the property that we've been shredding, and I put down a black liner first underneath all the garden. This area is a new area. I'm going to grow tomatoes up cattle panels, and it was just grass. I have 2 layers of cardboard on top of that, dirt, compost, rabbit manure, and I'm getting it ready for summer planting of tomatoes. I'm still really enjoying my ollie beds. I'm actually ordering 6 more this week to put in this area and add to the raised bed garden. This one has some beautiful daffodils or buttercup, depends on what you call them. Under here are those carrot strips that I did, and they're popping up underneath the straw. Here I planted some parsley and some beets last week. This bed has a little bit of spinach popping up, and in the back I'm going to plant some asparagus crowns. It's the right time to plant asparagus right now. And in the raised beds I did a second planting of some winter crops. These are some radishes, daikon radishes. They're a little bit close together. I'm going to have to thin them out. And then these are some French breakfast radishes. Over here I have planted a new crop of broccoli, and seeds are popping up. In here it's hard to see, but I do have radishes in that one again. Man, what am I going to do with all these radishes? I have some chevril, which is like a French parsley. Parsley does really well in the cold winter. My tulips are popping up finally. Looking good on both ends. And in this bed I have some spinach. The whole bed's going to be spinach. I love to juice and cook with spinach. My garlic I planted a really long time ago. Got a little bit traumatized from that heavy frost that we had, but it looks like it's coming back fine. In here I planted some more greens, some arugula. I love arugula, and it's coming up. It's the easiest thing to grow. It grows like a weed. And we have some chives.